Hi everyone, here's a quick little tutorial on how to navigate the Khan Academy, how to make sure that you're keeping up with your assigned work and making sure that you are completing your quizzes and your tests, especially on fractions because it's going to be one of the main components on how I'm assessing your learning. So once you log in, you should make sure that you have your correct avatar up in the top left corner. Make sure that the S3000 number assigned is your S3000 number, or if you've changed it to your name, make sure that it is your account and that it's your name. So if you click on the assignments, it's going to highlight it blue. And we have over here my assignments active and past. So I want to check and make sure that I've been keeping up with my past assignments and the quizzes or the tests that have been assigned. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on past. And it's going to redirect me to this page here. And you'll notice here it says relate number lines to fraction bars, and it's highlighted in red over here on the due date and time. This is past due. And I know it's not completed because anything that's been completed says under the status completed. Anything that says start means that it hasn't been started yet. So this particular activity here, you'll notice that relate numbers to fraction bars has a star beside it. Anything that has a star beside it is your practice. Anything, if we go to the one above it, anything that has a triangle pointing to the right, that's a video. Now, if you're in class with us, we always watch the videos together. If you're not in class, then you can certainly watch the video at home on your own, and then you can complete the activity. It's really important that you watch the video first because that's the lesson, and then you complete the activity. Every few lessons, there is a quiz. This is really important. Now, these activities or practice exercises, we are recording them. We are taking your mark, and that is going towards your overall mark, but it's also going towards your learning skills. We want to make sure that you are keeping up with the work assigned and that you're being prepared to the best of your abilities to be able to do the quizzes and the tests. The quizzes also are going towards marks on the report card. So if you'll notice, this pretend student here hasn't completed their quiz yet. It's late. It was due on May 6th before, I always say before bedtime, but sometime around dinner time, bedtime, that would be sufficient to hand that in. You can always go back if you're not happy with your quiz mark, and you can redo the quiz, I believe, because it's still highlighted in blue here, even though it says completed on this side. If I go back, I can still watch the video, I can still redo the quiz, and they will let you complete or attempt the quizzes and the tests as many times as you possibly like. And when you're finally satisfied, and then that mark will come into the teachers and we can see it. So you can see that this particular student has a lot of things that they need to get caught up on. And my recommendation would be to go back even one more section to past. Go right back to the very beginning of what was assigned. Click it. Actually, I think I need to go down here. Oh, yep, here it is. If I click next, it's going to take me to another page. I'm just going to scroll down, and I'm going to start at the very bottom, cut shapes into equal parts, because I've noticed that I haven't done that one yet. So I'm going to click start, and I'm going to get that one finished and work my way through. It's really important that you keep on top of it. Each day during our flex time and our independent work, this is something that's assigned. We always do, like I say, the video beforehand, and then after that, the teachers stay online to help students if they have any questions while they're working through this. Okay, so please make sure you're keeping up with your course material, you're doing the practices, and you're completing the quizzes. Okay, and then I think if you want to check anything else out, if you want to check your progress, you can by clicking on this particular tab here. If you want to check on the course that's being assigned, but here's the most important part, your assignments. And then I'll click back to active. One other piece that I want to talk to you about. You'll notice that this one here, it has a triangle, which means it's a video. I've already put that in our schedule, and I've also have it in our Google Classroom under the actual assignment. This is something that we're working on tomorrow, so I don't recommend going ahead because we haven't had the lesson with myself. We haven't gone over the video. So tomorrow, and then we have Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and beyond. Okay, so these things that are in the future, don't go too far ahead and complete those because it really isn't an advantage, but please make sure you're keeping up with us as we're doing them in class. Okay? Thank you.